Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Virgo, H sign. This is February monthly reading and this is general. May or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you in February. Virgo, what are the messages? Five of Cups, Queen of Cups and Two of Swords. The Star, King of Pentacles and King of Wands. The Fool, Six of Swords and Five of Swords. A lot of air energy. Again, under the deck the Empress, and it's you, Virgo. You stand by your power and you are very grounded. You achieved your balance. You are totally in your control. Yeah. Some of you are also pregnant also. Yeah. And the Empress, yeah. For some you are a mother to your kids, but you stand by your power and you are very attractive to all. So let's see your reading. Virgo, recent past, Five of Cups, Queen of Cups and Two of Swords. There is separation maybe for some. Maybe you are feeling sad for something. And you have strong emotions for your person, Queen of Cups. And you are very caring and giving person in this connection. You are always there for your person no matter what. And Two of Swords. Maybe there is some juggling. Maybe you are juggling between head over head. You are at some crossroads. You have to make some decision, but you don't know. In past there is some confusion. You are at some crossroads. Right now, the Star, King of Pentacles and King of Wands. Someone is coming to offer stability to this connection, long-term commitment. Some marriage proposals are coming in your way, and some positive shifts also coming in your life. The Star and King of Wands, it's you. You stand by your power and you are very grounded. And someone want to offer stability, they are coming. And some positive shifts are coming. There is no negative to say about some. And future energies, the Fool, Six of Swords and Five of Swords. Yeah, there are some misunderstandings between you and your person. Definitely they backstabbed you. Maybe they cheated on you, lied to you. Definitely there are some disturbances. And the Fool with Six of Swords. But you, for some, you decided to move on from this person. You started your life again and you are living in the present moment, and this is very, very positive energy for you. And Six of Swords, this could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states. You decided to move on towards calm waters. So what I'm seeing here, someone is also coming to fix the things between both of you, because King of Pentacles with Six of Swords. Some communication is coming, Virgo, and they want to fix the things between both of you. So if you are in separation, they are coming back. If you are not in separation and having some issues, they want to resolve those issues between both of you. And the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus or Aquarius especially. So let's see your person current feelings and the near future actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going on. Under the deck, the Moon. Definitely there are some illusions, differences between both of you. And the person involved in this connection could be Pisces. So let's see, Virgo, your person current feelings towards you. Two of Cups. Yeah, there is no contact between right now. Your person is not talking to you because they are undergoing some spiritual awakening. And the Hermit, Virgo, it's your card. Yeah, they're thinking about you a lot. They're awakening about this connection. And Two of Cups, there is mutual love between both of you, and they're realizing that you are their soulmate. And Princess of Wands, one person in this connection younger than the other person, they want to send some message, they want to communicate with you. And again, sorry, Oh, okay. Under the deck, Ace of Swords, definitely some communication is coming in your way, some clarity, and they want new beginnings with you. So let's see the near future actions towards you. Virgo, your person, near future actions towards you. Again the moon. The tower. Right now your person undergoing some tower movement and they are undergoing some transformation. They are stuck on you. They don't know which decision, they don't know how to make a move towards you right now. There are no action cards. But Seven of Wands energy, they won't give up on you. Yeah, they won't. But they are not taking action now. But in near future they will be, because right now they are feeling stuck and undergoing some transformation. They are undergoing some tower movement too. Okay. And the moon, definitely still there are some disturbances, some misunderstandings between you and your person, Virgo. And the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Virgo, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and outcome. Yeah, they're missing you so much and thinking and wondering about you a lot and thinking about you a lot. Again, the tower. Yes, they are undergoing some tower movement, literally tower movement, and some communication. Definitely will receive some communication from your person, and they're missing you so much and wondering about you a lot. Especially when they are alone, they're thinking about you a lot. Virgo, let's see from your side. Ace of Cups. See, 2 times. Knight of Wands. They're coming back with a lot of passion, but it will take time. I think you are also isolated from all and thinking about them a lot. You are also spiritually awakening. Yeah, after they separate, after the phase, Ace of Cups, you still have so much love for your person, and this is unconditional love what I'm seeing here, because the Hermit of the transformation, you're realizing the meaning of true love, because this is unconditional what I'm getting here. Even though you decided to move on from this person, you still have emotions for your person, I am seeing here. And but they're wondering about you a lot. They want to communicate with you and they're missing you so much. Yeah. And there is a lot of passion involved in this connection. And the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, especially Virgo. So let's see your overall energy for the month. 3 of Pentacles, they are coming back to work on this relationship. They want partnership with you, and you both already known each other. You both could be colleagues. Yeah, they're coming back very slowly, but this time they are very sincere. They really want to offer stability. And 4 of Pentacles, it could be you are holding back. Yeah, it's you are holding back, even though you have strong emotions for you. Queen of Pentacles with 4 of Pentacles. Yeah, you're holding back. Maybe you have some trust issues, but they're coming back. Even though you are holding back, you have strong emotions for your person, because Ace of Cups is here. Maybe for some you are waiting for new person, not for all, very few. So let's see your person overall energy for the month. Yeah, they want success in this connection. They want this celebration, 4 of Wands, and you both could be twin flames. A lot of communication is coming in your way. They want to communicate with you and they want to express their true feelings. They're obsessed with you. There is a lot of obsession. They're obsessively thinking about you, because 9 of Swords energy. They're missing you so much and they're obsessively thinking about you, and there is communication coming in your way and they want you back. Yeah, there will be some communication between both of you very soon. Then it's up to you. So let's see message for you from Moon Oracle deck. See, communication is the key. Wow, what a coincidence. Definitely communication is the key here. They will communicate you very soon. They maybe call you or message you, whatever, in any form. But here the communication is the key, especially new moon in Gemini. Yeah, So if you want to resolve the things between both of you, here the communication is the key. This is the message from universe. So this is the reading for you, Virgo. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.